Welcome to the data upload lesson on the Montana Early Warning System. In this lesson, we will show you how to upload the required data file into the EWS. A demonstration of the whole process from beginning to end will be done using a fake school profile. If you have any questions or concerns about the Montana Early Warning System, please contact Eric Meredith at 406-444-3642 or email at emeredith@mt.gov. First, we'll cover some common questions about the upload. The first is, how often can we upload data? A new data set may be uploaded to the EWS each day. If you upload a data set twice in one day, the first upload will be overwritten. This is helpful to know, so if you upload data and find something was incorrect in the data, you can correct the issue and re-upload the data later that day. If the error is not discovered until the next day, then OPI will need to be contacted to remove the data upload. Another common question is, how often should we upload the data? This is really up to the school. OPI's recommendation is to upload data at least once a month. You may also want to upload data after the end of a quarter or semester ends, as this is when new grades become available to enter into the system. A final common question is, how long until we get our results? The results are instantaneous. As soon as you upload data into the system, the results are posted. The EWS will go directly to the school report and show the new EWS results. Keep in mind, sometimes the school report does need to be refreshed to get the new results to show up. It generally only takes a minute or two for the upload process to work. This differs depending on the size of the school and how many students you are uploading data for. This slide shows an example Excel spreadsheet data file for 10 students before being uploaded. One thing to take note of in this file is the name of the spreadsheet in the bottom left corner is EWS. The data file must be named EWS in order for GEMS to accept this file. You will get an error when uploading the file into GEMS if it does not say EWS. You may notice the example file has a few blank or null spaces. This is okay, and the EWS has measures to make up for that. However, you should make the file as complete as possible. The rest of this lesson will assume you have a data file for your school that is similar to the one shown. If not, you may want to go back to the previous lesson preparing the data file. To upload your EWS data file, there are 3 things you need to make sure you have. The first is the actual data file in the correct format. The second is a login and password onto the secure version of GEMS. The third is you must have access to the EWS in GEMS. Even if you have a login and a password to GEMS Secure, you may not have access to the EWS unless you specified you wanted access into that area. The first thing you need to do is make your way to the EWS page in GEMS. There are several ways to get there, and it's recommended you save the site into your favorites once you do. In this demonstration, we will start at the GEMS homepage, which is provided on a link in this slide. Once on the GEMS homepage, you'll need to log in into GEMS Secure. In the upper right-hand corner, click on the Login to Secure Site link. A pop-up should come up asking for your login credentials. Enter your login and password to proceed to the secure site. Now that we are into the secure version of the site, on the menu near the top of the GEMS homepage, hover the mouse over the data icon. A menu should pop up. Click on Student Characteristics. This will take you to another page in GEMS. Now click on the menu button at the left-hand edge of the screen, and at the bottom of the menu is the Early Warning System. Click on that. This brings up the Early Warning System menu, and we want to go to the Overview page, which is where the data is uploaded into the system. Once you are on the EWS Overview page, scroll down to the System File Upload area and click on Browse. Here is where you need to find the EWS data file you wish to upload into the system. Once you have found that, click the Upload File button and wait. It may take some time to upload the data into the system, depending on how big the file is. Once the file is uploaded, GEMS should take you directly to the school report. Check to make sure the current EWS run in the school report has today's date. If it does not, then make sure to refresh the screen. It sometimes takes a bit for GEMS to post the results. If today's date is shown in that box, then the file upload was successful. That concludes this lesson on uploading your EWS data file into GEMS. This slide shows the remaining lessons, including the next one in the series, Making Sense of the Results.